Now in this chapter, let's see what are the challenges faced by small entrepreneurs. Small entrepreneurs, small startup founders have huge challenges at multiple places. Number one, it can be financial challenges. Number two, it can be collaborative challenges. Number three, small investors and small founders cannot have huge bandwidth to scale up. So we will see some case studies of how small investors, small startup founders have gone in a huge way in facing challenges. Let's see the problems faced by small enterprises. Being a small enterprise, there are immense challenges faced by the founders. Now you can see there are managerial problems, financial problems, marketing problems, human resource problems, raw material related problems, technological problems, and many more. So these are the problems which we have to address for small enterprises. Now let's see the financial challenges faced by small enterprises, small founders. Now there are certain organizations by Government of India, there are certain organizations by private companies who are there to solve the financial crisis of a small enterprises. For example, government has set up SME, Small and Medium Enterprises. Government has set up SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. And there is SFC, State Financial Corporations. There is SIDCs, State Industrial Development Corporations. There are so many credit guarantee cover fund schemes. So government has kept so many schemes like this to address the small and medium financial enterprises. Now let's see what are the marketing challenges faced by small enterprises. Now being a small enterprise, it becomes very challenging to predict where is the market, where is the go-to-market, and what products does the consumer want and where. For this, there are a lot of associations and consortiums which Government of India, both in the central and state, have arranged to face this challenge. To name a few, the government initiatives are, there's something called single point registration for government purchase scheme. There are exhibitions, fairs, technology fairs, product fairs. There is consortia and tender marketing approach. There is facilitation and export of products and projects. And MSME is also giving so much opportunities online to ensure that small enterprises get an opportunity to put all the things both digitally, online, and also offline through various platforms. Role of state and central government schemes to promote small enterprises. The Government of India, both at the state level and the central level, have got so many schemes for small enterprises. Let's see a few of them. There is Rajiv Gandhi Udyami Mitra Yojana. There is Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development MSMED Act 2006. There is Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India to facilitate. And there is Reservation Policy of Government. Now so many schemes are available for publishing or for promoting the small enterprises. To name a few, you can see on the website startupindia.gov.in. So many proposals are there which the Government of India started Startup India scheme. All right. So there is also called Make in India. Now in both the websites, you can see how state and central government is promoting through various calls, various proposals, various financial support for a small enterprises. So in this whole chapter, we have seen what are the challenges are faced by small enterprises and small startup founders. We have seen technological changes, marketing challenges, and human resource challenges, and also what state and the central government is using to promote the benefit of small enterprises. I hope you would get to meet some small enterprises, some small founders of startups, and see what challenges they face, and we'll see in the next session.